For all boating and watercraft enthusiasts, big or small, how would you like to prolong the life of your vessel and trailer? We have a product available to rinse the underside of your boat, watercraft, trailer, and brakes effortlessly. This product can be designed to fit any trailer with our easy-to-install bolt-on kit that doesn't require any drilling or fabrication for most applications. Once installed, the most difficult part of operating our system is connecting a water hose and turning it on. If you would like to learn more about protecting your investment from invasive species, saltwater, and grime, please inquire below.